Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a question that's been popping up a lot lately. Does gasoline actually expire? Now you might be thinking, gasoline? Expire? Really? But trust me, knowing the answer to this question could save you from some seriously pricey car repairs down the road. In this video, we're diving deep into what happens to gasoline as it ages, how to tell if your gas has gone bad, and most importantly, how to prevent it from happening in the first place. So, let's get started. 1. Does gasoline expire? All right, let's start with the big question. Does gasoline expire? The simple answer is yes, but it's not like milk that suddenly goes bad on a specific date. It's a gradual process that starts the moment it leaves the refinery. Here's something most people don't realize. The gas you're pumping might already be a few weeks old before it even hits your tank. And once it's in your car, the clock starts ticking. Over time, gasoline loses its effectiveness. It can lead to poor engine performance, clogged fuel system components, and even starting issues. In some cases, bad gas can damage parts like your fuel injectors and fuel pump, leading to costly repairs. Have you ever had issues with bad gas? What happened? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your stories. 2. Different types of fuel, different expiration dates. Now let's talk about the different types of fuel because each one has a different expiration date. Regular gas with about 10% ethanol lasts only about 3 to 6 months. Pure gasoline without ethanol is more stable and can last 6 to 12 months. But if you add a quality fuel stabilizer, you can extend the life of your gas to 1 to 3 years. Here's a surprising fact. Fuel starts degrading the moment it hits your tank. That ethanol in regular gas is hygroscopic, meaning it absorbs moisture from the air. And trust me, moisture in your fuel system is the last thing you want. Do you use ethanol-blended gas or pure gasoline? Let me know in the comments. 3. How to tell if your gas has gone bad. Now let's talk about how to tell if your gas has gone bad. Your engine will usually give you the first clues. You might notice a rough idle, difficulty starting, or a loss of power, especially when accelerating. That check engine light might also pop on. If you can actually see the gas, look for a dark, muddy appearance. Fresh gas should be clear to slightly amber. And trust your nose. If it smells sour, that's a bad sign. If you see separation in the fuel, that's really bad news. Have you ever noticed any of these signs in your car? What did you do about it? Let me know in the comments. 4. How to prevent your gas from going bad. All right, let's get into the good stuff. How to prevent your gas from going bad. First, keep your tank at least half full whenever possible. This isn't just about not running out of gas. Less airspace means less oxidation and less condensation. Think of it as cheap insurance for your fuel system. When it comes to storage, keep your gas in a sealed container in a cool, dry place. If you know your car will be sitting for a while, invest in a good fuel stabilizer. Don't cheap out here. A 10 bottle of stabilizer is a lot cheaper than a $1,000 repair bill. Just remember to add it to fresh gas. It won't magically fix fuel that's already gone bad. Do you use fuel stabilizers? Which brand do you trust? Let me know in the comments. 5. Tips for seasonal vehicles. Now, for those of you with seasonal vehicles like boats, motorcycles, or classic cars, here's what I recommend. Add stabilizer before storage. Fill the tank completely. Run the engine for about 10 minutes to circulate the treated fuel. And if possible, store it in a temperature-controlled environment. These simple steps can save you a lot of headaches when it's time to take your vehicle out of storage. Do you have a seasonal vehicle? What's your storage routine? Share your tips in the comments. 6. What to do if you have bad gas. Finally, let's talk about what to do if you end up with bad gas. Don't risk it. Drain the tank, dispose of the gas properly, and clean the fuel system if necessary. It might seem like a hassle, but it's a lot cheaper than dealing with damaged fuel injectors or a ruined fuel pump. Have you ever had to drain bad gas from your car? How did it go? Let me know in the comments. And there you have it, everything you need to know about gasoline expiration. From how to tell if your gas has gone bad to how to prevent it, These tips can save you from costly repairs and keep your car running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your fellow drivers, and subscribe for more tips to keep your car in top shape. And before you go, let me know in the comments. What's your go-to trick for keeping your fuel fresh? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and remember, drive safe, drive smart, and take care of your ride. See you in the next video.